everyone, it's Kaiyuke, and in today's side quest we are going to be unveiling my Artist Alley haul from Anime Expo 2025 last year, but it hasn't lapsed 1 year, which I am trying to prevent. So we are filming today, May 2026. If you're new here, I'm Kaiyuke. I'm a cosplayer, anime art and figure collector, and also a pole dancer. I made this silly little YouTube channel to share my anime related hobbies, or as I like to call them, side quests. Without further ado, I will just get right into it. I don't really remember what I bought. I've just had this pile here where I was like, I'm gonna film this Artist Alley haul. Eventually. Usually I would film it when I'm closer to like editing or publishing my vlog, which if you've known my track record, I'm pretty slow at my vlogs, that I'm hiring an editor to help me out. Usually I want to edit my vlogs myself, but I need to be real with myself. I don't have enough time and I don't edit fast enough to get things out in time. But I do want to just have my videos out for my sake, for my little YouTube channel, and documenting and romanticizing my little anime weebly life. Anyways, yeah, let's get back into it, like I said I was going to do. This was the free bag this year, or last year, and they were really promoting Gachiakuta. I think that's how you say it. I still haven't watched past the first episode, but it's pretty edgy. I think I remember the first booth that I hit in Artist Alley was Mizukat, and that's an artist that I've been following for a long time. They do like 80s-ish style anime art. And I bought quite a few things. I got this cute plastic bag, shopping bag thing. Cute girl. I got this print. She has a lot of like, there's a glare, but she has like a lot of original characters and original art that I love. This character has purple hair, so I had to have her. Ooh, and then she had this purple tie-dye shirt that I thought was super cute. Another original character on there. She has like greenish teal hair. Love that. I got some stickers, which are more purple haired characters. So here's 1, 2, 3. My lighting is like different every time, so I hope it's not too dark. There's this artist I haven't heard of before. I just really like their art style and was drawn to their booth and bought a few prints, and I think these are stickers actually. This one's like a big sticker, a regular sticker. I love Fern from Freeren, and I love Freeren and Fern art like together. I saw this artist and she had these stickers that I feel like go well together. Ooh, there was this booth that had really cute Pokemon art and pins, and they had a Wurmple like mystery bag. I actually got, I think, the thief one, and they let me trade for ones that people like traded in, and so I traded it in for this wizard Wurmple. Ah, isn't he cute, Wurmple? Who is this? Oh, this is my weapons check. Ah. I love Gengar. He's just a big purple being, and he's an astronaut. Isn't it so cute? It's Gengar in space. I got these silly cat meme phone chains, like phone keychains. I really love this one. I use it as a react and emote a lot. Ooh, more Freeren art. Oh, my wig. Can you see it? Let's open it. I'm trying to remember what it is. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. Okay, so it's a magnet. It's Freeren and Fern eating burgers. Can you see it? The glare isn't too bad. So these are from a Pure Bear, who I have bought from before, and I bought these before, but the chains had broke, and I think I lost one of them, and I was really sad because I love capybaras and I love raccoons. They're so cute. Especially like in the trash can, and then like the oranges with the anyways. So I repurchased those, and then I bought a pug charm so cute. So I had put these charms on my phone, and I think that's how I lost them, because I drop my phone a lot and it gets caught in things. So I don't think I will put these charms on my phone. I don't want to lose them again. I'll probably just add it to like my pin board like collection. I also got this cute button. I think this is just like maybe their mascot. I saw a lot of art of it like on at their booth. And I got a few stickers. I'm overwhelmed Magikarp sticker because I love Magikarp and that is relatable. And then I got these two other stickers that are Avatar The Last Airbender themed, and this one is Uncle Iroh saying quality because I thought that was clever. And this one is I love cabbages, and I love the cabbage merchant. He's just so funny, iconic. I need to organize all my stuff. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. So I'm trying to buy less prints, at least like really big prints, and I feel like this is like a decent sized print. And it's also by an artist that I've been following for a really long time, and I love their art style, especially of Misa. And it's a little curved because, like I said, I haven't opened up my stuff for like months. I got two prints of Misa. Can you see her? I also got this cute CD keychain charm. It's very like 80s city pop aesthetic. Of course, I had to get my Supreme Waifu Albedo. I think their art style is super cool and unique. And then I had to, of course, get Panty and Stocking. Panty and Stocking was just all the rage at Anime Expo because they were premiering, I think, the first episode of the new season, the second season that took maybe at least 10 years to come out. So that was really exciting. I really enjoyed watching the second season. Another Panty and Stocking sticker, but it's like their bunny suit versions. And there's a pole, so I had to buy it, of course. I'll probably be adding this to my pole art collection, which I have started a shelf with anime figures related to pole dancing. It'll make sense when that video comes out, that unboxing video comes out. I haven't heard of this shop before, but they had really cute clothes. I was torn between this and like a checkered like knitted set, but I ended up getting this skirt because I feel like, I don't know, I might wear it out more and could wear different tops with it. I mean, I feel like I could have done that with a set too, but I really love the color blocking on this skirt and the embroidery. Isn't she cute? I got these playing cards by Luck of Kings, who apparently flew all the way from Australia. They're a deck of playing cards that they drew art of characters from various fandoms on each card. This one I got specifically of the Phantom Troop characters from Hunter x Hunter. I really love their art style, and I just couldn't pick just one, but I did, and it was this one. Oh my god, it's so tiny. I got two pins, but they are like two sets of pins because they come with like a regular sized pin and a tiny pin that goes with it. So this is Freerun, and this is a blue flower to represent Himmel. Of course, I had to get Fern, which came with a tiny Stark. Oh my god, he's so cute. I got two of these purple pug pins that say "You deserve so much love and support," and I got two because I want to give one to my husband. We both own a pug and her name is Chowder. I'm just obsessed with pug art now, or I have been even before I got her, to be honest. From the same artist, they had Maple Story merch, which I was really excited about because I feel like I don't see that much Maple Story merch, but I feel like in the last couple years it's kind of been having a comeback. So I've gotten a few stickers and now acrylic keychains of looking for GF which you would see like at the market and stuff on Channel 1, and people were, I don't know, looking for their online Maple baddie. And Zombie Mush, hold on. There you go. He keeps moving. I love Zombie Mushroom. I think they're one of the cutest ones, and one of my starting jobs was a cleric or a priestess, and they are a healing class, so I loved killing these dudes with my healing powers. But they're also cute and have like little, what is it, talisman flappies? I don't know. I thought they were cute. They're my favorite mushroom out of the different types of Maple Story mushrooms. I got this cute capybara pin. As you probably already heard me say, I love capybaras, especially when they have like the oranges, like that picture of them in the onsen. But here they're in like a cup of tea, which is so cute. Hee hee. Also gave me a free fan, which I love using these for like drying my makeup setting spray. So I have a little collection of like artists giving me their cute little fans. Stickers of nostalgic girlies. Oh, from the same artist, I got a pin of Yue. I think she is so cute. I love Yue. I love her design and her sacrifice. Ah! Got a pair of socks from one of my favorite artists that I love commissioning, Mr. Hotcakes. And last year I got like a few shirts from them that they started, I think, selling like apparel. This year I got socks. Very coquette. Also from Mr. Hotcakes, I got this Powerpuff Girls print. I love Powerpuff Girls and I love their take on them. So cute. The next artist is Kelsey Kishi Draws. I actually follow her on YouTube. That's where I first noticed her, and then I followed her Instagram art account. But I actually really love watching her Artist Alley vlogs, and I was like, I also have to support her because she's Filipino and draws original characters and Filipino characters. I got this cool spider lily sticker, shiny. They're a little bent, but I got some cute postcards. I've been loving getting smaller art prints like this so I can maybe do like a collage wall and leaning away from my larger prints. I got stickers of Filipino culture. I thought these were super cute. Feel like I'm represented. Here were some cute JJK stickers that I got from them. They had some art in like Polaroid styles, which I love Polaroid, so I had to get one. I got this print because it's so cute and sad but cute. I got this sticker sheet of Miyazaki stress levels, which I thought was hilarious. I got this like lone sticker of him saying anime was a mistake. I think these are hilarious, and I think the art style is really cute, especially, I don't know, drawing Miyazaki is so cute. Some vendors that used to vend up in exhibit hall got moved to entertainment hall, and exhibit hall was being more industry focused, so a lot of big name brands like took over that hall. So if you want to shop like smaller artists, it's definitely Artist Alley and now Entertainment Hall. I feel like I always buy something from Apari Art. I just love their style. They're so like cool and cute, streetwear-y, but not too edgy, because I feel like a lot of anime brands try to go for like dark, edgy, mysterious look or super cute like Lolita-y, which I feel like I lean more towards the latter. I feel like Apari is like a cute in-between. I've actually been eyeing this windbreaker that they've had out. It's pink and purple. It's up my alley. If you haven't noticed, purple is my favorite color. It just feels so nice. The material feels so good. I actually really love windbreakers. My mom used to have a couple and I would like wear them when I was little. Now I get my own that maybe I hopefully get to pass down to my kids that might think it's cool. Or maybe they won't think it's cool. Then I'll get to keep it forever. Here's the back. Pretty cool. Okay, I also got prints, even though I said that I was going to stop buying prints, at least the big prints. This booth had really cool shiny prints, and I had to have the panty and stocking ones. Look at her shiny. Woo! Because of like how cool they looked big and shiny, I had to get these big prints. They had a deal, so I got a third print, and it's of Zelda. Isn't she cute? I have so much stuff. I got this beautiful fern art. I had actually bought the free run version a while ago, and the artist came out with a new fern version to accommodate her, so now I have both. I feel like I just love getting free run and fern like art together, and I think I have enough. I need to stop buying. Same with penny stocking. This one's spicy. I think I got this one at the 18 plus section. I'll need to censor it, but it's albedo. She's like kind of chained up. I got a large print of adult Toshiro from Bleach. I used to love Toshiro when I was in middle school, and then later in the manga when he like becomes like an older version, I was like older at this point and I was like, hell yeah. I got more Bleach art because Bleach is just, I don't know, I feel like Bleach is timeless and its art is super cool. I got 3 smaller prints. One is of Nell and like little toddler Nell, so cute. Ulquiorra, another one of my loves from Bleach. I love him. Tragic. I think they had a deal, so I got a smaller version of Toshiro. These prints are from Crystal Sugar Stars or Crystal Stars Sugar. I think it's the first one. It's an artist that I've been following for a long time, and they also love panty and stocking a lot, so they have a lot of merch and art of them. I got this print. I just love how bold the colors are. I love the bunny suit version, and I love how they drew them here with their halos around one bunny ear is also really cute. I got these cop version stickers of them, and I feel like this colorway is specific to like, I think they were like based off of these figures that were like limited edition that had come out. They gave me a free Panny sticker because I was cosplaying Panny that day. Sometimes that happens to me, which is super cool. I'll get a free sticker from a vendor just because I'm wearing a cosplay of that character, which is really nice of them. I did get a couple of things from the official Anime Expo merch stand, and I got this toast pillow. I thought it was so cute. I was actually hoping that they would bring back the red circular AX pillow because Chowder had taken over it and it's stinky now, and I actually am pretty sad about it because I liked that pillow. But they had toast, which was actually a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Still really cute, and I'm not gonna give it to Chowder. Purple AX Chibi beanie. AX Chibi is like a sister con that like AX started up in November. I'm not really sure why. LA has so many conventions already, and you can hear me complain about it in my rankings video where I rank all of the anime conventions I've ever gone to in Los Angeles ever. But yeah, I hear that it's doing pretty well, and Anime Expo Chibi's like brand colors is like pink and purple, which is, like I mentioned, up my alley, really cute colors. So yeah, I got a beanie. Well, that's it for my Anime Expo Artist Alley haul. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and unboxing and bailing, or I don't really know what's the proper word, but like sharing my Artist Alley haul with you guys. I hope it was cozy. I don't know, I feel like I'm not the cozy YouTuber type. Let me know which of these things that I bought is the coolest. Be sure to check out my Anime Expo vlog that should come out before this video, so click it somewhere here. I forget which corner it shows up in. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next side quest. Bye!